Hello everybody. So, just doing a little tiny update on Artemis, my very big boa girl. She is in shed. Can't really see it, but her eyes are blue. Kind of see it from this angle. This will be the second time she has shed for me. And I think she's lost a lot of weight since she's come in. She's due for her actual second feeding since I got her. It's been about 6 weeks since I fed her. People suggested putting her on a 4 to 6 weeks diet. With her size, I went for the most with 6 weeks. She did shed a while ago, not long after deciding that, and that was my first sign that she was losing some weight. I do believe that she's probably lost a lot more weight, which is probably why she's going into shed. Because snakes do not just shed when they are growing. They shed if they have a wound that is healing. They shed if they're losing weight. And that's what's happening. She's losing weight. She's getting healthier. I'm very excited to see what she looks like when she is done with the shed. I might move her up to a 4-week feeding. I'm not going to try to feed her when she's in shed, just because I just don't really want to waste a very large and expensive rat. I'm just going to wait until she's done with her shed, and then I'll give her feeding. So that'll probably be another week or two, which is okay. It ain't going to kill her to go that long without eating. So yeah, Artemis, she's looking good, and she's coming a long way, and she's getting really healthy looking again. So yeah, I'm glad to say it, glad to know it, and I'm sure that her previous owner will be happy to know that she is still good to go and looking very healthy and is doing great. We'll love to see the update on her. So, alright, just want to do a quick update. You guys have a great day.